Some breaking news coming in. Even as Shashikala has applied for early remission, the government of Karnataka's response to an RTI query shows that the remission that has been sought is on invalid grounds. Replying to an RTI, the government of Karnataka has stated that early remission is valid only for female prisoners undergoing life sentence who have attained the age of 60 years and have served actual imprisonment of 9 years. My colleague Neha Hebbale joins us for more on this. Neha, what does this mean in terms of Shashikala's date of release? Because just a few weeks ago, we saw her legal team paying that 10 crore fine and securing a release for her in January 2021. That's when it's scheduled. So what does this RTI response tell us in that sense?
Well, Aarti, that's absolutely right. In fact, shortly after the fine was paid by Shashikala's legal team, we saw her legal, team actually even applying for an early remission earlier than the month of January itself. Let's understand that, at the time that she was sent to Parappanagrahara or the central prison, she was supposed to pay a hefty fine of about 10 crores along with serving 4 years. So we understand that, by 2021, she would have completed her 4 years. And this is what the RTI response also, elicited the first time around when you had the same, RTI applicant. What it actually said was that she would be released in January 2021. However, just about 2 weeks ago, while the fine was paid, you had her legal team, that actually went on to apply for an early remission. Now, another RTI was filed, and as per the response of the Karnataka government to this RTI, we understand that, an early remission is not on valid grounds. So, what this essentially means is that, while of course the government hasn't come out and spoken up about it yet, we understand that Shashikala will not be walking out of the central jail at least till January 2021, Aarti.
Well, she is considered to be the X factor in the Tamil Nadu polls. It'll be interesting to see what happens once that release comes. Neha, thanks so much for bringing us that update.